I'm at a point in my business where it was time to update my vehicles. Some of the vehicles I had along the way were either temporary vehicles or they were just not able to do what I needed them to do as far as pulling trailers or pulling anything for that matter. So I went ahead and got this. This is a 2009 Silverado 2500 with a 6.6 LMM Duramax engine in it. This thing is super nice. It's black. It has peanut butter interior, leather interior, 17 factory inch wheels. It has the chrome front end. Pretty cool, nice looking truck. Now there is a few things I've done to it so far since I got it. I replaced the front windshield because when I got it, it had a couple of cracks. So I replaced the front windshield. I had it tinted this morning. I went ahead and put tint all the way around and I put the side steps on. There's a couple of things I'm gonna do today. One of the first things I'm gonna do is do an oil change. I went ahead and got the oil filters, fuel filter. I'm gonna go ahead and do some maintenance on it because I don't know this vehicle the last time the maintenance was performed. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it right now so I can have it for my records. And then I'm gonna go ahead and swap out the hood vent on the passenger side is actually missing or broken. When I bought it, it was like that. So I went ahead and ordered that off eBay. It's in as well. I'm gonna go ahead and swap that out. So let's get into it. All right, guys, so let's dive right into this video. So as you can see here, the paint on this 09 is, it's fairly good for it being a 2009. It is black, so you can see a lot of oxidation and, a lot of scratches here and there. Up to this point, I'm just giving you a 360 view of the pretty much a stock four-wheel drive vehicle other than the steps. When it was time to do the maintenance, I had noticed that there was a small oil leak that was bothering me. So when I went and did the oil change, I found that the original drain plug was missing a little washer that was actually supposed to go there. So went ahead and got a new one, got the oil drained out, got the fuel filter changed out. Also ordered a transmission Allison spin-on filter, got that replaced as well. For the oil, I just went back with the mobile Delvac, what pretty much everyone recommends on these 2500 diesels. So originally, I was going to wait on the wheel and tire setup because I didn't know what size I was going to go with. Originally, I was going to go with 20 by 10 or even 22 by 10. I was trying to avoid excessive cutting, but I ended up finding a really good deal on Facebook Marketplace that landed me a set of 22 by 12s and 33s for a really good price, so I couldn't pass it up. I also ordered a bullet antenna just to complete the look that I was going for. Nice. The bed was, normal wear and tear. Again, just a normal use farm truck. So there was a little bit of rust in there. After I got the whole bed prepped up and I got all that rust removed, I went in there with some epoxy on the bare metal areas. For the Bedliner, I actually tried a different product this time. Normally I go with Raptor. This time I ended up going with a Nova product that's actually by Revo Auto Paint by Tammy Miller and Robert Messenger. Pretty cool product. It sprayed really easy, sprayed really well. I was super satisfied with it. The Raptor liner gives you a different texture, so it's good to know that I have those two at my disposal whenever. After the Bedliner was done, I went through there and did a real simple color correction on the entire vehicle. Just a two-step cut and buff, nothing crazy. I just, had a little bit of free time, so I just went through there with my wool pad and my CSI compound, as well as my CSI polish enhancer, just to finish it all up. Now, this paint is fully cured, so I did go over it as well with the wax and just really bring that shine out. So overall, I'm really happy with the truck where it is right now. I look forward to doing some more things in the future, but for now I am really excited and super pleased with the way it turned out. Being able to run it through my shop was a cool little experience because I'm able to work on my own projects and also able to show the kind of things that I'm able to do if you bring your vehicle to my shop. So anyway, guys, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If y'all tune in until the very end and y'all like the video, drop a like down below, drop a comment down below, share this video with your friends, and as always, guys, I will see you on the next one. Later.